Angelina here with Mint & Porter Design Company, bringing you the best tips for freelance web design. If you're wondering, how do I create a website myself, then this video is for you. If you'd like to stay in the know about the latest web design strategies, consider subscribing. I often have friends ask how to create their own website. And while I always recommend hiring a professional to create your website, I know that's not always realistic when you're just getting started. So in this video, I'm going to go over the checklist of what you need to create your own website. So let's jump into it. Number 1, choose a domain name. A domain name is what people type into their browser to access your website. For instance, mine is mintandporter.com. Common places to grab domain names are GoDaddy and Namecheap. Number 2, get web hosting. You can either get web hosting from national companies like bluehost.com or hostgator.com or dreamhost.com, or you can get more personalized service from local companies that host websites. Number 3, set up your WordPress website through your hosting company. Often hosting companies have something called a one-click install, which makes it super simple to add your WordPress content management system and get it online. Try searching one-click install plus your hosting company's name to get directions on how to do this specifically with your hosting company. Number 4, set up your SSL certificate through your hosting company. SSL certificates make your website delivered securely to your visitors. Some hosting companies offer this for free when signing up, so be sure to check the hosting company's terms when you sign up. Number 5, choose a theme for your website. Now that you have WordPress installed, choose a theme for your website. My favorite place to find themes is themeforest.net. Check out my video on my favorite WordPress themes for my top picks. Number 6, install the theme. Under your Appearance tab on your WordPress dashboard, go to your themes and then add new and then upload theme. You're looking for a zip file with the name of the theme. For instance, if you purchase the gem theme, it will probably be called the gem.zip. Install the parent theme and what's called the child theme, if your theme comes with it. It will most likely be called something like the gem-child.zip. The child theme lets you create edits without it being overhauled when updates are made to the parent theme. Once you've installed your theme, click Activate and navigate to your theme options within your installed theme on your WordPress dashboard, and then enter the activation code that came with your file when you downloaded it. If you purchase the theme on themeforest.net, you'll find this under your profile, then downloads, and then your selected theme. Go to the green drop-down menu, and then you're gonna find it under a license certificate and purchase code. Download this document and you'll find your activation code. Number 7, import your demo content. Most themes come with demo content. Choose the design you like and navigate to import demo content under your theme options in the WordPress dashboard. This often takes a few minutes to load, but it's a great starting place for creating your website. Number 8, add your logo. You'll often find this at the top of the WordPress dashboard under Customize. It will open a menu on the front of your website with a white sidebar on the left-hand side, and that lets you customize certain parts of your theme. Be sure to pay attention to the recommended dimensions for your logo size. Number 9, add your brand colors. You'll often find this under your customize menu or the theme options, and then there'll be a color section that you can add your brand colors. Number 10, add widgets. Widgets often control sidebar content and footer content. You'll find this under Appearance and Widgets under the WordPress dashboard. Number 11, add your pages. You'll find this under Pages, Add New on the WordPress dashboard. Quickly add page titles and then we'll set up the menu. Okay, number 12, set up your menu. This is under the Appearance tab and then Menus. Look for something like Main Menu at the dropdown on the Menus tab. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar of your page names. Go ahead and add your page names to your menu. You can often set up other menus like footer or mobile menus if your theme provides it if you wish. Number 13, customize your homepage. Depending on the page builder for your website, this will look different for everyone. Common page builders are Divi, Elementor, and WP Bakery. But every page builder will have its nuances. Click on the homepage under the Pages tab on your dashboard. This will often be labeled something like front page, and if your homepage is not what you want, navigate to your settings tab on the dashboard under reading, and the homepage displays drop down will allow you to choose your homepage and your blog page. So remember to hit save after you make those selections. Number 14, create your other pages. The easiest thing to do is base it on demo content and customize from there. Common pages are About, Service, Blog, and Contact, but it's up to you which pages you would like to add. Remember to hit Update to save your changes. Number 15, add your blog post. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and click on Post and simply add your content. This is set up very similar to Pages. Don't forget to add your keywords to help get your blog post found online. Number 16, add your plugins. Navigate to your plugins section on your WordPress dashboard. Plugins create functionality for your website, from everything from e-commerce with WooCommerce to security with Wordvents. I recommend setting up plugins for security, caching, backups, and SEO, among others. Some of my favorite plugins are All-in-One WP Migration and Wordvents. Do a quick search for best plugins for WordPress websites, and this will give you a better idea of what to add to your specific site. So those are the key things you need to get started creating your own website. Hopefully this gave you a good idea on how to get started. What type of website would you like to create? Type it in the comments below. I love creating content about freelance web design life. If you'd like to learn how to make your website work for you, subscribe to my newsletter. Link is in the description below. For resources listed in this video, visit the description below. If you like this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.